Hello and welcome to Trace Software. Since 2007, we have been developing the web application Archelios Pro for sizing photovoltaic projects, from feasibility studies to profitability calculations. Archelios Pro eases modeling a project using integrated 3D functions or external applications such as Revit, SketchUp, Sunny Design, or K2base. It is possible to perform modules layout, calculate their solar potential, and consider nearby shading. The application can be used to simulate any type of project, including car park shading systems, ground-mounted power plants, and even flat or sloping roofs. The application helps sizing inverters and define automatically valid configurations and string lengths. It can also be used to wire strings of modules. Depending on the type of project, with several photovoltaic groups, single or multiple orientation, use of module tables or trackers, the application automatically and quickly suggests all the compatible inverter configurations. The user only has to validate one configuration or enter another specifically. Whichever technology is selected, inverter, microinverter, or optimizer, automatic or manual wiring of the module strings provides greater precision when calculating electrical losses. Archelios Pro enables accurate analysis of production data with calculation of electricity production, with analysis of nearby masks and MPPT production curves, a production dashboard with P50 and P90 energy yield calculations, and details of project losses such as aging, soiling, or clipping. An accurate study of self-consumption, with the integration and addition of numerous professional and residential consumption profiles. A highly detailed economic analysis, including updated total cost, also called LCOE, and payback times for the installation, taking into account the expected life and project financing. Archelios Pro includes features to export and share completed projects. It is possible to generate and export to Archelios Calc software, which can be used to carry out the normative sizing of the different components of the installation in accordance with the IEC 60364 standard. In addition, it is possible to generate a detailed sizing report, available in PDF and Excel formats, but also drawings in DXF, GeoJSON, and KML formats, and simplified single-line diagrams in DXF, PDF, and JPEG formats. Of course, raw data in CSV can be accessible at any time. Furthermore, our application encourages collaboration by making project sharing easier for users. Thank you for your interest. Please feel free to like the video and subscribe to receive news about our softwares. See you soon at Trace Software.